I bought a lot of OBD2 scanners over the past few years, and in this video I will give you 5 quick tips how to save when buying OBD2 scanner. Number 1 is using discount coupon. On my website there is link in description. I have discount coupon page with all coupons I collected over the past few years. Since I worked with a lot of these brands that manufacture OBD2 scanners, you can find all of them in that one page, and link is in description. Second tip is buying one brand scanner. For example, this is one brand scanner for Toyota Lexus, and instead of paying, let's say, $500 for scan tool, if I know that I will be working mostly with Toyota Lexus, I can buy something like this with same functionality. That functionality of course works only Toyota and Lexus, but instead of, let's say, $500, this costs about $130, and it has free lifetime updates. So with scan tool like this, with most of them you get maybe 2-3 years free, but eventually you have to start paying for newer software. With one brand you are getting this software for free even for next 20 years. Now for one brand scanners you can either get this launch, they have version for a lot of brands, or also Foxwell does have good one brand scanners, and same like with the discount coupons, separate page to find one brand scanner for your car brand is also linked below. Next tip is to avoid paying subscription for Bluetooth bidirectional adapters. So adapters like this comes with very professional functionality for a cheap price, so I understand they are very attractive pick to get as OBD2 scanner, and I even approve it, like it's fine for maybe 1 year, especially if you didn't have professional scan tool before and you want to kind of test it out, see if you can make use of such tool in your garage or it will be only collecting dust. So for that first year might be good, and first year with this adapter is free, so you don't have to pay subscription. But if you see that you use it often, I suggest from second year it is better to move to scan tool, and you will get maybe 2-3 years of updates for free when you buy it. So even though it is more expensive to start, eventually it will become cheaper in the long run. Tip number 4, and especially for beginners in OBD2 scanner, so if you are about to buy your first scanner, you are maybe about to buy scanner with a lot of features which you will not use. So before buying any scanner, I am really recommending to understand different scanner types so you can choose one that is best for your needs. Maybe you don't need that $500 scan tool because everything you need it for can be done with $50 scanner. And to understand different scanner types, I don't mean to sound like broken record here, but this is free PDF that explains all scanner types, give you best picks to choose in every type, and also it is linked in description but is completely free to download. And tip number 5, choose scanner that is built in tablet, whether it is scan tool or one brand scanner. I know that they are expensive, more expensive to buy than different kind of scanners, but they have one very good advantage, and that is they are easy to sell. If you have scan tool in tablet, you can sell it, and most of the time you can make almost same money back that you pay for tool when you are done with it. I do this often. I get tool, I use it for 1 year and then I sell it, and not only I will not lose much money, sometimes I even sell it for more money than I paid, which is actually funny. But usually if I buy scan tool, let's say for 400, I am able to use it for 1 year and sell it for 300, 320, so I am not losing that much money. So they are expensive to get, but it is easy to sell them and you can take money and move to some better tool. For Bluetooth adapters, they are hard to sell. I still have a lot of these on Facebook Marketplace and literally no one wants to buy them. For Bluetooth adapter, people love to buy new adapter, I guess, but whenever I tried to sold one of these tools, they are built in tablet, I sold it in 1-2 weeks, very easy.